Hello, my dear student of class 4. How are you? I would like to thank all of the visitors who are enjoying this online class. We are starting our class. Every student of class 4 get noticed. I am introducing myself first. I am Riaz Ahmed, Assistant Teacher 48 Nong, Borodokhimpar Government Primary School, Kodalipara, Gopalganj. In our previous class, we have learned about Shagor and his family, and there was a home task. The home task was write a short composition about your family. I think you all have completed your home task. Now, first, enjoy this video.
When you read, when you write, there are 6 questions to keep in mind. Who, what, when, where, how, and why. Who, what, when, where, how, and why. Who, what, when, where, how, and why. These are 6 questions to keep in mind. Who is the story about? What happened and what went down? When is the time or date? Where does the story take place? How did things happen and work out? Why did it all come about?
What do you guess watching the video? Yes, our today's topic is W's word and do does. To go to the class, to go to the topics, we first have to know some new topic. First, we have to know about person. This is a picture. If you notice the picture, you can learn person easily. There are 3 persons, 3 kinds of persons in English. First person, second person, and third person. This is first person, then second person, and third person. These are 3 persons. This person is talking something to this person. They are talking about this person. So, this is the first person who is talking about this person. He is third person. He is not present here. And this is second person. This man is, this girl is talking about this boy to the second person, this boy. So, we can easily say that first person who is talking about something, and second person is who is to talk, and third person is who is about to talk. If you understand this, we can go to the next slide. We have to learn a topic of number. There are 2 numbers in English, singular and plural. Here you can see one monkey. This is singular number. Here you can see many monkeys. These are plural number. We write monkey, and in case of plural we write monkeys, we add extra s. In some case, we use es. Now, come to the combination slide of number and person. There are three persons: first person, third person, second person, and third person. First person, in first person, we have I and we. I and we. I and we are first person. Here, I is singular and we is plural. Second person, you and you. You is singular and you is also plural. You means to me and you means, in case of plural, you means tomra. Third person, in case of third person, except first and second person, all of this world are in third person, such as he, she, it, etc. He is singular person, singular number, she singular number, it singular number, but they is a plural number. So we can learn first person is I and we, second person is you, and other things or other noun or pronoun is third person. Now open to your book at page 31. Before going to read from our book, we have to learn some new things. There are some Bangla meaning. Here, who, where means যেখানে, সেখানে, where means কোথায়, where means কোথায়. Where means কোথায়. Where বলতে বোঝায় কোথায়. Who বলতে বোঝায় who এর অর্থ কে, how এর অর্থ কিভাবে, what এর অর্থ কি, when কখন, when কখন, when কখন, why কেন, why কেন. এখানে where অর্থ যেখানে, সেখানে, প্রশ্ন করার ক্ষেত্রে ব্যবহৃত হয় না. when প্রশ্ন করার ক্ষেত্রে কখন এর অর্থ হয় কখন. যখন কোন স্টেটমেন্ট এর ক্ষেত্রে আমরা ব্যবহার করব তখন এর অর্থ হবে যখন অথবা তখন. প্রশ্ন করার ক্ষেত্রে আমরা এর অর্থ বলবো কখন. where কোথায়, who কে, how কিভাবে, what কি, when কখন, why কেন. Now we learn about the question. আমরা কোন জায়গার নাম বা স্থানের নাম জানার জন্য where দিয়ে প্রশ্ন করি. কোন ব্যক্তি সম্পর্কে জানার জন্য আমরা who ব্যবহার করি. কোন কাজ করার উপায় বা কি পরিমাণ, কিভাবে, এটা জানার জন্য আমরা how ব্যবহার করি. what কোন জিনিস সম্পর্কে বা কোন বস্তু সম্পর্কে জানার জন্য আমরা what ব্যবহার করি. when সময় জানার জন্য আমরা when ব্যবহার করি. কোন ঘটনার কারণ জানার জন্য আমরা why ব্যবহার করি. So we come here again. To know the name of the place, we use where. To know about some person, we use who. To know about how much, how many, or any procedure, we use how to make a question. To know about things, we use what. To know about time, we use when. To know the cause of some event, we use why. Now we will see some use of WH word, numbers and persons. Here are some questions. How old is Shagor? Here, how is WH word? Is a verb. You can say auxiliary verb or any type of verb. It is not factor. And this is Shagor. Shagor is noun or pronoun. Noun or pronoun or subject. We can tell this word subject. Next word, who is Kea? Who is a WH word. Is a verb and Kea is a subject or noun pronoun. Is a noun. It is noun. What is a WH word. Does, auxiliary verb. Does is a verb. His father is noun. Who is a WH word. Help is a verb. Her mother is a noun. Why is a WH word. Is a auxiliary verb and Shagor is noun. Where is WH word. Does is auxiliary verb. His father is noun. To make a question, we have to follow a structure. To make a question, we first use WH word. We first use WH word. This is WH word. First we have to use WH word. Then we have to add or we write beside words, beside WH word, do or does. Do or does. Then we have to use noun or pronoun. Then other things we have to use. So we have to learn how to use these. Now you can open your book at page 31. Open your book at page 31. You are watching Language Focus. Questions with WH word and do, does. How to use do or does with WH word. Notice it carefully. When we have to use do or does, before I, you, we, they, we have to use do. That means first person. Before first person we use do. Or first person or second person or plural third person. We use do. Before I, you, we, they, we use do. Simply you have to know this. Before I, you, we, do, we, they, we use do. Where do I sit? Where do you sit? Where do we sit? Where do they sit? Next question. Who do I know? Who do you know? Who do we know? Who do they know? Because before I, you, we, they, we use do. How do I open this? How do you open this? How do we open this? How do they open this? These three sentences are the same pattern. We use do before I, you, we, they to make a question. Next three sentences are different from this. Here, he, she, and it. Before he, she, and it, we use does. That means before third person singular number, not plural, third person singular number, we use does. Before third person singular number, we use does to make a question. You can learn simply that we use does before he, she, or it, or any other name. We use does before he, she, it, or any other name to make a question. Such as, what does he study? Or does she study? When does he get up? When does she get up? Why does it rain? Why does it rain? Now, look at your book. Here are some fill in the gaps. Here are some fill in the gaps. It is test you. Can you use do or does? It is very easy to use. You have to look at here. What is the noun or what is the pronoun here? What is the noun or pronoun is here after the gap. First, what are your friends' name? What are your friends' name? Where dash they live? Where dash they live? Here they is third person plural number, or we use do before I, you, they. So we use here do. We use here do. Next sentence. What is your father's name? What dash he? Here is he. Here is he. Before he, we use does. Yes, we use does. Next, when dash we leave school today? Here, the pronoun is we. So we have learned that before we use do. Here will be do. Who dash you sit next to in school? Here the pronoun is or subject is you. So we will use do. What is your mother's name? What dash she do? Here is she. We use does before she to make a question. So we use does here. How dash the biscuits taste? The biscuits is third person singular number. Biscuits is third person singular number. Biscuits is third person plural number. So before plural number we use do. So how do the biscuit taste? We are in English class now. When dash it finish? Here the pronoun is it. Our subject is it. Before it we use does. When does it finish? When does it finish? When dash you get up in the morning? Here is you, pronoun is you, or subject is you. We should use do before you. So when do you get up in the morning? Next sentence is saying, what dash you do on the weekend? What do you do? What do you do on the weekend? How dash you come to school? How dash you come to the school? Here the subject is, here the noun or pronoun, here is pronoun you. So before you we use do. How do you come to school? Here is a pattern of making sentence, making question. First we have to use WH word, then we use do or does, then we use noun or pronoun. So I think you can easily complete the home task that I given here. Here some sentences are here. Shagor is a student. Here is a underline under Shagor. Shagor is a student. You make a question. Shagor is a student. You can say, who is a student? He is in class 4. You have to make a question with this word. He is 9 years old. You have to make this question with this word. His father is a doctor. Is a doctor. You have to make this question with this word. His mother is a housewife. His mother is a housewife. I make an underline here. You have to make a question with this word. His grandmother is very smart. Here is underline. So you have to make a question. Answering to get the answer of this word. He works at home. He works at home. Make a question. Shagor's mother has a very wonderful garden. So he is very proud of it. Please make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 question to make an answer of like these sentences. You have to make 8 question to get answer like these sentences. This is your homework. If you can't complete I will say you in our next class. I will say you in next class. You can submit your homework in our page. You can submit your answers in our page. Simply you can go here. You can go to our online primary school. You can go here, online primary school Koralibara Gopalganj. Then to submit the answer, you can write here, or you can comment on the comment box in this video. You can easily comment in this comment box. If you search, you can learn this more. Learn about more. So these are our home tasks, and we are coming to the end of the class. Thank you very much. Thank you everyone who are watching this video.